In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Windows environment to run a local text-to-speech service that utilizes both OpenAI voices and Kokoro voices without needing to use an OpenAI key. Please watch the video, configure a Llama, OpenWebUI, and Docker if you don't have Docker already installed, as it'll be needed to enable this service. The information presented here is for informational purposes and provides no guarantees that it will work for your situation. You will need to consult with your IT department to ensure that everything is secure and will function in your environment. The service we'll be installing is Kokoro Fast API, which is a wrapper for the Kokoro 82M text-to-speech model. The service doesn't require an advanced graphics card, but you will see faster results if you have an NVIDIA RTX graphics card. We'll follow the installation steps from the GitHub page, and I'll also have the command listed in the comments below. We'll use the quickest start Docker run instructions. There are two commands here, and you'll only need to run one. The first option is if you don't have an NVIDIA RTX card. Installation time will depend on your computer and internet speed. Let's start by opening up a window command prompt, and then copy and paste the line that's most appropriate for your setup. The service will start running automatically once the installation is complete. Last step is to configure Hero One-Shot so that you can use the Kokoro Fast API text-to-speech engine. Go ahead and launch Hero One-Shot if it isn't running, and then go to the Provider Plus settings. In the Kokoro Fast API URL, enter the localhost and port. The default is HTTP localhost 8880. With the information in place, now you just need to go to 3, Create Speech, select your course, then change the provider to Kokoro. To wrap this video up, the next time you start Docker Desktop, you'll need to start the Kokoro service before you apply text-to-speech within Hero One-Shot. This can be done simply by clicking the play button.
While you wait for the next video to start playing, why not check out the other Hero apps? Designed by an instructional designer to make e-learning development less tedious, be sure to visit Thor's Hero App YouTube channel for more information.